Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I'm so glad you came to join us today. Today we'll be making a Tree of Life craft. To make this craft, you'll need pipe cleaner, a paper plate, tissue paper, glue, and scissors. The first thing we're going to do is take our paper plate and cut out the middle so you just have a circle. Once you've done that, you're going to poke some holes on either side of the paper plate and start weaving through the pipe cleaner. You can see how I twist them together in the middle and then poke them through different holes on the other side to give it a kind of tree-looking effect. You can just add as many as you want until you like the way it looks. Once you've got it looking the way you want, you can turn it over and twist together all the loose ends so that they don't move. Now that it's looking a little cleaner, the next step is going to be to take some glue and put it on one end of your tree. This is going to be the top of your tree. It can be either side. Once you've got the glue down, you're going to take some tissue paper and start cutting it into little sections and crumpling it up. Once you've got a few, you can start laying them down. Now I'm using another shade of green just to give it some more dimension. You can start to see it come together now. It's looking like a tree. And there you go, the Tree of Life. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and don't forget to tune in next week and check out the rest of the series where we learn words from the Irish language, read stories, and make more crafts. Until next time, slán, that means goodbye in Irish. See you next time.